How's it going, YouTube? Today we're working on a Toyota Tundra, pretty simple door panel to take off. All you're gonna need is a Phillips bit, a plastic trim tool piece to take the door panel off, and then an actual pick just to kind of help out with some clips. We'll go ahead and get the clip off first. It's right over here on the side. You just barely push it in. Don't push it in too far because it'll fall to the door panel. But just a little pin, you just want to pop that in and it comes right out. Set that off to the side. Next we'll go ahead and take our covers off. You're going to have one behind the door handle, just kind of come in at an angle by the lock. And just kind of wiggle it around. And it'll pop free. And then you're also going to have a cover up top. Just kind of start at the top. Just kind of work your way down. The reason you want to take this cover off is because it's actually clipped into the door panel. So now we got that off, we'll set that off to the side. Now we'll go ahead and get our screws out. You're going to have one right here and then one in the grab handle as well. Alright, now that we got our two covers off, our clip out, and our two screws out, we can actually pop the door panel off. I like to start at the bottom. So just grab that plastic trim tool piece, kind of wedge it in between the door panel and the frame. Work around the bottom, work up your edges, and slide up. So that's the rear door panel. Now we'll move on to the front. One thing with this cover, as you guys can see, I got a tab here and a tab here, but I'm missing the one up top. So all you gotta do is come back over and just grab it out. You don't want to go push that plastic piece back onto the door because you'll push this into the frame. Just kind of grab your fingernails on it. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Kind of grab your fingernails on it, pull it out, as I drop it. And then you just want to grab it and just place it back on here. And then this piece will just go right back and clip into place kind of like so. And voila, I just want to say that before we move on to the front door. All right, now we're on the front door panel. Same thing, we'll grab our covers off. Just kind of start at the top. On the Tundras, these can be kind of tricky on the front door. Kind of be mindful of it, don't break anything. This one came off pretty easily. And once again, I left that tab behind. So we're trying to grab our fingernails, go ahead and pull that out while we're thinking about it. Click that back into place. Grab our cover behind our door handle. Once again, just kind of wedge it between the lock and the panel and the cover itself. Just kind of pry out. And it pops free. And then you're going to have a cover behind the grab handle. Go ahead and grab that out. So now we can go ahead and grab our screws out. Alright, and that's the last screw. Alright, we got your screws out. Don't forget we also have a clip up here. Just kind of barely push that in. And just pull it out. Once again, don't push that all the way through because it can go through the door. So just kind of barely poke it in. But now we actually take the panel off. Once again, grab your plastic trim tool piece, start at the corner, kind of find a gap, kind of work your way around, and then wiggle up. And there you go. That's how you take off the rear door panel and the front door panel off of a Toyota Tundra. Thanks for watching.